Hey guys, Miss Tate here. So yesterday and the day before we were working on adding and subtracting whole numbers. So we're still using this TEK, add and subtract whole numbers. Remember, we're not doing the decimals place value. So we were just practicing with the standard algorithm yesterday, just simple addition and subtraction problems. Today we're going to do the same thing, except for we're going to combine addition and subtraction, and we're going to practice with some word problems today. So I have some practice problems we're going to do together for this mini lesson, and then you're going to end up practicing some on your own. So let's take a look here at problem A. Problem A says, a local dress shop has 2,407 dresses in stock. There are 837 short dresses, 958 long dresses, and the remaining dresses are children's dresses. How many dresses are children's dresses? Right? So I read through the first time. Okay? I'm going to read through a second time. This time I'm going to mark important things in the story that are going to help us solve the problem. So let's read it again. So it says a local dress shop has 2,407 dresses in stock. This is the total. That's the total number of dresses they have. Let's keep reading. There are 837 short dresses. So that's a part of it, right? There are 958 long dresses. That's a part. The remaining dresses, do we know how many dresses that is? The remaining, do we know that? No. Like, that's going to be what we're looking for. Are children's dresses. Now the question is asking us, how many dresses are the children's dresses? So that's what we're trying to figure out, how many children's dresses there are. I'm going to use a strip diagram to help us kind of solve this problem. So what is the total or the whole? I know the whole is 2,407. 2,407, right? That's the total. And I know some of the parts. I know part of the total, some of the dresses are short dresses, some are long dresses, and some are children's dresses. Well, they give us the numbers for the short dresses and the long dresses, so let's put those in. So for the short dresses, I know there are 837. For the long dresses, I know there are 958. Now this remaining part, do we know what that is? No, this is going to be our children's dresses. We don't know how many children's dresses there are. So what's a way to find that? Well, I already know the total, and I know this part, but I'm missing this part. So we're going to have to do some adding and subtracting here. So a couple different ways you could do that is we could combine these two sections first and then take away from the total, or we could take away the pieces from the total one at a time, but I'm going to combine first. So let's combine 837 plus the 958. All right, y'all help me add. 8 plus 7 is how much? 15. So put the 5, carry the 1. 5 plus 3 is 8, plus 1 more is 9. And then 9 plus 8 is how much? 17. So this 1,795, what is that in our story? Is that the children's dresses? Is that the total dresses? No, it's what I combined. So this was our short dresses, and this was our long dresses. So this 1,795 are our short and long dresses combined together. All right, so that's how many short and long dresses there are. Now, what does the story tell us? The remaining dresses. So this part here, that missing piece, are the children's dresses. Now, what's our next step? How do we solve for those children's dresses now? So I know these two combined are 1,795, and I'm still missing that piece. Well, now it's just part, whole. Here's a part, here's a part. I know the whole. So I'm going to subtract to find that missing piece. So the total was 2,407. The short and long dresses combined was 1,795. Now we can subtract to find how many children's dresses there are. So let's subtract. Start in the ones place. 7 minus 5 is 2. 0 minus 9, I can't do that. It's impossible. I have to regroup. So this 4 becomes a 3, and this is now a 10. 10 minus 9 is 1. 3 minus 7, again, impossible. Can't do. So let's regroup. It's now 13 minus 7. What's 13 minus 7? Should be 6. 1 minus 1, nothing. So the leftover pieces should be 612. So that's this missing piece right here, 612. So we should have a total of 612 children's dresses. How could we check that, right? A way we could check is we could plug it back in and add them back up to see if we got the total. So we could combine the 837 plus the 958 plus our 612, right? If we combined all the different types of dresses, it should give us our total of 2,407. So that would be an easy way to check to make sure we did our math correctly.